In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to copy a one-sided document to two-sided on your HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 3302 STW printer. Now this printer comes with an automatic document feeder that is able to scan one-sided only. However, on the control panel, there is an option where you can copy one-sided document to two-sided. So this is a 6-page document that we are going to copy, page 1 to page 6, and it is one-sided. Let's place it into the automatic document feeder. Remember to use the paper guides. Next, on the control panel, select Copy. Select Document Copy. Under Sides, select one-sided to two-sided. You are now ready to copy your document. Press on the Copy button. So this is the printed document. Page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5 and page 6. It is able to copy from one-sided to two-sided because this printer supports auto duplex printing. So this is how you copy a one-sided document to two-sided using the automatic document feeder for your HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 3302 STW printer.